What?
Can we?
Which?
Purple can leaf in the bushes.
What's that? What's...
How was that can got there?
Where?
Right in the bush.
Oh yeah, I can see it now.
No, it's stabbed through a branch. Why would the tree not?
I don't know, that one's orange.
All of them were.
Orange and
Orange
yellow,
one.
says the girls of whatever.
Orange again! Orange! Orange! Why is it all orange? Mom,
What?
I think it's the soldiers marked it. See where they've been?
So that they can get lost?
Yeah. So they'll mark it where they've been standing. So they've been standing here.
Have they?
They've been walking here too. Look, you see the footprint?
Oh yeah.
A very imaginative
I
mind.
know.
And look like that, there's got that down.
Does it? The rich, the tree?
You know when you just stop dead in the path when
Yeah.
someone's walking behind you? That's what the safe thing
Yeah,
to
but
do.
you're walking behind me so you can see me stopping.
The soldiers.
But then I walk into you and not expecting it to stop dead.
The soldiers used to walk
You don't stop
down
like this and slow down and go.
The soldiers used to walk down here.
I
Did
won't.
they?
Yeah. I would never, I would never.
What? There's the sea again. The beautiful ocean. I wonder what's over the sea.
City.
It looks all nice over there, doesn't it?
We've got to walk all the way down there.
We are. Because that's just the same as the other side. This will take us by the water more. Alright, we'll leave you here for the scary man to get you. Oh, we can go deep in the woods.
You can tell when you're in a good mood because you just don't care what anyone cares. You just ignore everyone. Like if you were in a normal mood, you would have kept waiting for them. Now I just don't care about them.
I do care about some. Dad's there behind us. It's not like I'm going to really leave him, is it? If he thinks I'm going to, he'll come. For that tree.
That's got to be made like that.
I don't know, it's weird that, isn't
Spiraling.
it? Get on that tree.
It's leading us somewhere else, not down there.
Look, that was a tree log. Oh, like that, do you mean?